Welcome back. Previously, it was said that one of the things you can do with a list that you have completed all the tasks in is to archive either the cards or the list. However, if you have an ongoing team, another thing that you can do is to create a playbook or a template for a future project. Now, one of the first things you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take out any of the stickers, and then you want to go to your Trello dashboard. You want to create a board that's only for templates and playbooks. And so now you have a new board that will only have your templates in it. Then you'll go up to the right side menu of your completed list. You'll then click Move List. You'll then select the board and you'll select your playbooks and then you'll click Move. You'll notice then that only the lists that you're still working on are present in your current board. And if we go to the playbooks board, you'll notice that we now have our completed list. We can now choose to leave this list among our project templates so that it will continue to be searchable, or we can archive the list so that it will not be searchable. So in this particular case, we are going to archive the list. And if we decide we want to unarchive the list, we'll just go to this More tab. We'll go to our archived items. We'll switch to lists. And then we will send our Tipster Basic Organization list to the board. And it reappears inside of our playbooks board. Now the purpose of having a template is so that we don't have to restart an entire project from scratch. So if we were to open up an existing board and we find that we want to use a template, then we're going to go back to our playbooks and move our project template into this board. And we do that by clicking this right side menu, and we're going to copy the list, and then we're going to create another list. Then we're going to move this list to the board that we actually want the list in. And we're going to move it there with that command. We now have a basic template to set up with an existing project so that we do not have to start creating from scratch. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.